This place has super abandoned vibes. Alright guys, we are at MX. We got both bikes here. Got the CR125 and the KTM 250. The KTM 250 is the EXC model version. So today we're going to do a showdown and see, do I want to ride the MX version of the 125? Or can the EXC 250 hold its weight and do a good job here? It looks like we have the track completely to ourselves today. Check this out. Let's go see what the conditions are. It's a little weird. Gates wide open. Nobody's here. Called them up, left a few messages, sent some emails. Really not sure what the dealio is, but it is a perfect day to ride. My first time at never been here before. And we are also here, my lovely girlfriend in there. We tricked her into coming into the motocross track this weekend. So let's go see what her initial impressions are. Babe, what do you think?
Very exciting.
Yeah? What are you excited about?
What happened? Why are we? What happened?
So the website says they're open. Obviously nobody's here. The gate's open. Everything's open, but nobody is here. Like I said, we called, emailed. The track is completely ungroomed and hasn't been groomed for what looks like to be a pretty long time. But we're still out here having fun, so. So what do we got to eat today, babe? What did we pack?
Our burrito.
Oh, our unfinished burrito from last night. Ooh, no wrap. It's a naked burrito, I think is what they call it.
Burrito bowl.
Burrito bowl. Ayo.
Tastes better than it looked.
Babe's first time at the track, helping me film. She's doing a great job. She's got a great attitude. She's having fun. Or at least she's making it seem like she has fun, which is more important. No, I'm just kidding. But, alright, let's eat. And then we're back on the track for a little more, and then we're out of here.
Alrighty.
And I gotta say, I was super excited to see that there are bathrooms here. But check this out. This place has super abandoned vibes. Like, I have never seen something like this before. Like, sinks are missing. And despite all of this, the sink's missing and that, I somehow thought there'd be toilets. Nope. Every toilet gone. Like, what? Did someone come in here and like steal toilets and just destroy this place? I have no idea. But the women's side, not any better. Same thing. Brought the Husky CR125. A lot of people think Husky never made a CR125. They did. This is an O2 model. Unfortunately, I think we fouled the plug because we were running before, and I do have a freshie, but I do not have the socket or a wrench to switch out the plug. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And this bike would fire up all the time, first, second kick. So it not firing up after a bunch of kicks, we know something's wrong. My bet is spark.